Well, these are the 3 tips off my tripod. And a little bit of corrosion, not much on the outside, a little bit on the inside. Worst one, of course, is this one you see here. That whole tip was rusted off. So I'm going to try and do a repair. See down here, I've basically made a little plug out of an old bolt. And what I'm going to do, let's see if I can get it in there. There we go. I'm going to drop it in there, kind of see that. And I've got a wire feed welder, so I'm going to see if I can't just weld those 2 together and then build a tip that I can grind to match the other ones. So that should be fun. Ouch! Ooh, got warm. Alright, this way, see that? Yeah, it looks like we are tall enough. Yeah, it's melting, so. Alright, grinding up next. Getting there. I got a little bit of fill in to do there, and on the other side just fill that in a little bit, but it's getting there. Alright, I gave it a couple of more little spots of weld and filled in those low spots, and I'm going to do a little bit more grinding and bring her back in just a minute. Well, a little bit of grinding. Came out a little bit shorter, but I don't think it's going to matter. Maybe not quite 1/8 of an inch. I think that's close enough for me compared to what it was. So... perfect? No. Good enough for me. If anybody wants to lift up a leg if they ever see my telescope set up and say, hey, this one's shorter than the other ones. Well, we'll deal with that when it happens.